Hi everyone, welcome to Menlo College located in the heart of the San Francisco Bay Area. I'm Kanani and I'm super excited to show you what Menlo's like. Menlo is a tight-knit community with about 800 students. This allows for an opportunity to know everybody, whether that be classmates, teammates, or even professors. The small class sizes really support personal growth, leadership opportunities, and even preparing you for real-world experiences. Menlo College offers majors and minors in both business and psychology, including areas of study like AI and analytics, as well as graduate degrees such as sport and performance psychology and information systems. Our programs combine academic and practical experiences, giving students opportunities for internships and career growth. Menlo helps with resume building, professional networking, and overall career readiness. Outside of academics, Menlo offers competitive sports at various levels, and if sports aren't your thing, we have over 30 clubs and organizations that students can join. Menlo College is sandwiched perfectly between San Francisco and San Jose, two major cities in the area, with lots of fun things to do and explore. At Menlo, you'll walk away with more than just a degree. You'll develop the skills and confidence you need to kickstart your future. So come see for yourself, and we're so excited to welcome you to our Menlo community.